So where do you think we're going?
I don't know. How far?
I can't tell you, because then you'll know. All right, let's go.
Okay.
So where do you think we're at?
I don't know, a park. Did you take me to a national park and I didn't know it?
All right, you can go ahead and take the blindfold off.
Nothing's gonna pop out at me, is it?
Nothing's gonna pop out at you.
Very bright. We're at the camper. We're... Yeah.
So would you say you're excited?
I am excited. It's not Disney and it's not a puppy, but it's the next best thing. We're home! Oh yeah, let's have some light in here.
You're just so happy.
I'm so excited.
And so far no issues, but we'll find out when we hook up.
But no, I'm so excited. It's a new camping season, 2023. So many places to go, so many things to see. Let's get her home. All of the moisture. This is our key tip for camping storage. Get damp rid. It smells amazing in here.
We found our low point drain valves for some reason broke, which is really perplexing if I'm being honest. We did winterize, we blew all the lines out, and they cracked. And the reason it's perplexing is because it's the low point, meaning a lot of the winterizer we put in there should have made its way down to the lowest point. Last year, I actually had forgotten to originally close these once we blew out the air. Started pouring all of the winterizer and I could not figure out how I used so much. It was running out. So I know it went in there. For some reason they still broke, but an easy fix. First, you have your 1/2 inch threaded male to a clean female. We'll screw into your low point drain, small piece of 1/2 inch to connect this, and then this screws in there and you can just open and close your low point drains instead of having to mess with the plug. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix these to know at least one of our potential water issues are remedied going into the start of the season. We threw out our dirty filters last year. We gotta put the new stages in. That way we are drinking clean water this year. This was probably one of the coolest additions we made. You know, we talk about creature comforts again. I think our camper now has better water filtering than our house does. The rust filter, the 0.5 micron filter, which reduces cysts like Giardia. This is insecticides, pesticides, solvents, and chloramines. Virus guard filter, NASA technology, reduces bacteria, cysts and Giardia again, which apparently this is happening a lot, E. coli, and viruses. We were at a campground last year that had E. coli in the water, so this is huge. Let's go ahead and get these installed.
Take the next right, then your destination will be on the right.
Well, we got to our campground and now we're waiting because they require you to have an escort. The guy that's going to escort is busy hanging a shelf. So we're here, we're ready, and we're waiting for them to finish hanging a shelf. May the RV gods bless us. May the water leaks be few, out of no hole any poop spew. No leaks under there. No leaks under there. Success, Ella. Success! Success!
Success. Ohio in its finest. What does Ohio have? Grandpa's Cheese Barn. Is this like one of the staples when you're driving down 71 and you see the barn that says Grandpa's Cheese Barn and then you're like, oh, I wonder what that is. Well, we're gonna show you. The cheese house all over again. This is my place. Oh, I'm gonna get some tea. Cinnamon apple, Earl Grey, it's your fave. Oh my God, it's more than just cheese.
Your mouth is just open.
Olive oil? You can get wine in a jelly. I've died and gone to heaven. All of the things I love. Cheese, tea, jellies, butters. I didn't even know you can have Merlot wine jelly until today. I don't even drink wine. thinking the Asiago garlic. Bacon flavored jalapeno queso. I don't like the bacon. We're having tacos for lunch. Well, that's a must.
This was our second top seller.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Oh, that's yummy. I might need that. That's really good. That was a good choice. It's a bad place for me to go to. I need a cart. To think about all of it.
You're just getting all of it?
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So how was your first ever Grandpa's Cheese Barn?
It was good. It was really good. I love stores like that, all the homemade stuff. This place, we've passed it a million times living in Ohio and I've never been in it. Woo! The bag's coming apart. I don't care where I am. If I find a store like this, I'm going in it. But I tried this onion cheese. Oh,
The last cheese in place was Frankenmuth.
oh, it was delicious. I bought all the cheese. I'm so sorry. While we use RVing to go see new places and try new things, it also forces ourselves to get our butts outdoors. And we're really excited to see what 2023 camping season has in store for us.
Whether you have an RV or you plan to fly somewhere new or even just take a day trip somewhere a few hours away, you should do it. You never really know what tomorrow holds, but you have control over today. Join us, make sure you're adding to your story and really living your life to its fullest.
Speaking of doing something new, check out one of the new videos of us visiting New York City.
You never really know what tomorrow holds, but you have control over today. Today.